Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline. If you're new here, welcome. So on this amazing episode, I'm going to teach you how to make an easy homemade chocolate cake. So stay tuned for more. On this awesome episode, I'm gonna teach you how to make an easy chocolate cake, and I'll show you the ingredients that you need. You need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, some salt. You need 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of cocoa powder, and not sweetened, so unsweetened, 1 cup of milk. You need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, or you need you need half a cup of oil, and lastly you need 2 eggs, and you're going to have the best chocolate cake. So the first thing we're going to do is preheat our oven at 180 degrees Celsius. We're going to cook the cake for 30 minutes, so we're going to put 10 minutes for preparation. The first thing we're going to do is mix our dry ingredients. So we're going to put our flour first. Next, we're going to put our 1 cup of sugar, our 1 cup of cocoa powder, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of salt, and then the baking powder and baking soda. Gonna do a little mix. Just mix a bit on low. So the next thing we're going to do is add our egg, 1 at a time. Gonna do a little bit of mixing so that it doesn't come on your face. Gonna do the other egg. The next thing we're going to add is our milk. And then our vanilla, oil, can do a bit of mixing before you use the mixer. We're going to mix this on medium for around 3 minutes. Remember also to scrap on the side so that you have everything mixed up. So we'll mix this for 3 minutes, and it's so good. So the secret to having the best moist chocolate cake is having our last ingredient is 1 cup of boiling water. It really helps the chocolate cake become really moist. So I had boiled 1 cup of water. So we're gonna measure this, 1 cup. So this is our last ingredient. We're gonna put it all in. You can see. So it's a bit hot. So we're gonna have a bit of a mix. Don't worry, your butter will be thin, but that is okay. Don't worry about it. Gonna mix this for just a minute. And we are good. As you can see, the butter is thin, but that's okay. On to our last step. You make sure you grease your baking tin all through. Grease it with your butter, and that's still okay. You can have a parchment paper if you're worried about the sticking of your cake, but this is still okay. Gonna remove this. So finally we're going to pour our butter here. Now it's in. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. I'm gonna put all of it. We're going to put in our oven. There you go. We're going to cook it for 30 minutes, and that's it, guys. Finally, our cake is done. Look at that. It looks so amazing. We're going to let it rest for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna cut it. Cut. I'm ready to cut the cake. It's been 10 minutes. You can see it's cool. The cake is cool. So what I do is I like cutting it into pieces. You can use a very sharp knife. You cut it into slices. We're going to do that. So spongy. You can see how spongy it is. Amazing. Look at that. So cut it into slices. Look at that. So spongy and moist. You can pick up your pieces. As you can see, when you have those visitors in the house, you make this amazing moist chocolate cake. They will love it and look so good. Let me have a taste. Look at that. It is so spongy, you can see, and moist. So soft. Look at that. And airy. Soft and airy. You can feel the chocolate. It just melts in your mouth. So what you do is you add a bit of ice cream on the side. We'll have some milk, and you're gonna have that amazing treat that you wanna have. Treat yourself. I hope you've enjoyed this episode that I've shown you how to make an easy homemade chocolate cake to prepare for your visitors. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe, give me that like, share this video. Yes. Bye bye.